Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas live trading room recap for Thursday, December the 19th. My name is Barry Enerson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room. It's 100% free. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free room. I open the room at 9 o'clock Eastern. I go to 3 Eastern and I share my screen and I'm live on the mic. And also in the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for 15% off. I do that because people think I say 50 and it's not. It's 15% off either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. So guys, I'm a little under the weather, so this is just going to be a very quick video today. I have to talk about PAHS. My watch list, we got that one from the watch list and also from the AI. The AI had it a little bit earlier at 481. You can see right there. My watch list had it, I think, at 495. At 495. What a run it had. I actually did take this one, but unfortunately I traded it out. I have traded this one before, and I know how whippy it can be, and so I didn't make nearly as much as I should have made on this trade. But again, this was this is one of the ones that was auto traded from my watch list. I had some very good ones. I mean, this is one I'm still in, the CTMX. It took a long time. CTMX, let me just show you what it looks like. Just a minute here, just got to arrange something on my other monitor. Just a minute. Okay, there we go. So CTMX, so the alert was at 8:13. That was the price at 10:12. Yeah, that was the time. And it took a while. I mean, you know, this was all chopping around. It was about half an hour. And then all of a sudden it just started to really rip. And so a nice little one from my watch list. I had a question. I just want to go over again. If you want to trade my watch list, all right, here are the steps that you need to do. The first thing is, you know, from the new channel bar, load my windows. All right, when you load my windows, and remember this is a layout in here, so make sure your layout is your layout that you're using is saved to the cloud before you do that, because you can only have one layout loaded at a time. The next step is when you have, here are the two windows that you'll be interested in if you're looking to auto trade, and I'm auto trading the entries, okay, not the exits. I'm managing the exits on my own. So you right click, save. All right, do it both times, and now both of those watch lists then will be in the cloud. Now I should also point out is that if you want to auto trade those, then you will need our premium subscription, okay? In order to auto trade one of your alert windows or mine, you do need a premium subscription. If you wanted to auto trade the AI, you'll need our premium subscription plus a one-time licensing fee for Brokerage Plus of $1,100, minus any appropriate discount, okay? But if you're just looking to auto trade your own windows, your own alert window, then you'll need a premium subscription. So once you do that, then you just go to the Strategies tab in Brokerage Plus. You load Brokerage Plus, again from the toolbar, New Brokerage Plus. You load the window. Now, here are all the tabs that you can have. You just click on New. Well, here are all the ones you can have. You can load as many as you want. All these columns that you see here, we have a lot of different columns, okay? And, you know, these are the ones that I choose to look at. You know, in the positions, these are the ones I choose to look at. Again, though, click on the Strategies tab, and then you will right-click and load from cloud. Remember you saved those two windows previously to the cloud. Load to the cloud, and then you just click on the window, load it. I'm not going to do it because it's already loaded. You do it for both of them, and here they are. You only have to do that once. You know, maybe make sure you save your work. You know, once you're, you can incorporate this window as part of your overall layout. So once you're done for the day, save your layout to the cloud, save your layout on exit and all that. You don't have to load from the cloud every day. These will be here. However, you do have to enable the strategies every day. And that's a good safeguard because you don't want to have these on constantly because there might be days you don't want to trade. auto trade or trade at all. So we do force you to make the decision, the conscious decision every day to enable the strategies that you do want to auto trade. All right. And then the next step is you right click. Now you have to, and I'm going to show you what I do. I mean, you of course don't have to do the same thing, but now you edit the trading strategy. And now the name is already there, and this is a long. The entry time, I'm choosing only to take trades after the first 15 minutes of the day. This doesn't really matter. I'm not taking trades at 4, but I'm going to take, I put 30 here. There's never a day where there are 30 trades, but I put it as a default. I'm using smart routing I'm using smart routing. Okay, if you're trading if you're trading actually with interactive brokers, then this is smart routing. This is also what I'm telling you right now, though, is also good just for paper trading, like simulation trading. Order details. This is what I use. I'm saying in the simulator, okay, I'm going to risk $100 a trade. You can either go fixed dollars, fixed shares, or based on the stop loss, I will risk $100 a trade. Okay, this is a key number here, the limit offset minus 10 cents. What that means is, let's say I get an alert at 12:50, but the system, when it looks at it, you get the alert at 12:50, but maybe the price is right now 12:52. So you're not going to be able to get the fill right at the alert price. So how far outside of the alert price are you willing to go? So I have been putting 10 cents. I'm rarely 10 cents away, but that's what I've been putting, okay? You, of course, can do anything you want. The risk management, this is going to determine how many shares I get. So I'm using a filter, stop loss, I'm using a filter, and a smart stop, the system smart stop. That's all I'm filling in. And then I don't have a hold time. The reason I don't have a hold time is that I'm managing these trades on my own. I personally don't want to put a hold time in, because if I do, let's say the trade is still working well, but the system sees, well, you only have a hold time of 30 minutes, it's going to exit me right then and there, even if the trade is working well. That's why I don't use a hold time. You can do that, of course. And that's it. Again, you don't have to follow exactly what I do, but that's what I do. And then, of course, you just say, okay. And I basically do the same thing for the watch list down. Okay, it is the same thing. So that's what I do, and you only have to do that one time, but you do have to enable your strategy every day. So hopefully that clears it up. I do get a lot of questions about how do you do all this. Hopefully that clears it up. But if it's still something that you're not quite getting, that's fine. Come into the trading room, and I can demonstrate it right on the screen for you. Okay, a lot easier for me to do that rather than trying to do an email back and forth situation. All right, guys, so that's about it. Just about done for the day here. So I do want to just bring back the capture program. There it is. So if you have any questions for me, again, you can use this email address. And this is a link for the free room. And I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock. So hope to see you there. Bye-bye.